Hello students, welcome to Standard 8 English class by Mamta Shetty. First we are going to start with Unit 1, Unit 1.1, and that is A Time to Believe. It's a poem and we are going to start the poem with the warming up. 1.1, A Time to Believe. The first question of the warming up is think, choose and fill up the label with what a sunrise symbolizes. They have given us few of the words and the phrases and we have to fill it up. Let's see that jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, new opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, miser, bright moments, new aims, money and new surprises. So let's see now. Here it is the sunrise. We have to fill all the positive points in this. Yes, no negative ones. I think so only one misery is the negative one, because what does sunrise symbolize? It symbolizes all the positive points. See, you have to fill it inside the bracket. Yes, inside these boxes. Next topic is an acrostic. What is an acrostic? Acrostic is a poem or a write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word. When you read it vertically, like F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Understood? And this word should be related to this friend. How see they have given? Faithful, reliable, inspiring, encouraging, noble, dedicate. Yes? Now, this acrostic, this also can be a word or a phrases which we have learned in the 7th standard, but they all should be more or less related to the topic itself. So today we are going to see the two examples. One is of belief and another one is of faith, right? So let's see. Belief they have given in a phrase form, and faith also, phrase also, faith they will be including the words also and little phrase also. Yes, see, now you can see this. Actually this you yourself have to do. This is the example which I am giving you, right? Now we are going to start with the poem, and they have given you the name of the book also, which you are going to use as a reference book. Yes, it's a dictionary where you get a lot of synonyms also and sometime antonyms also. We are going to start with the poem 1.1, A Time to Believe by B.J. Morrison. Now we'll start with the first. I'll give you a little introduction of this poet. Who was this poet? This poet was a soldier and he has written many inspirational poems which he asked everyone that in the time of hard also you have to believe. You have to believe in the time of hardship also. You have to keep a belief on you that yes, you can do it. You may have lot of dreams which you want to fulfill up at that time also. You have to keep a belief that yes, you can do it. In short, it is that having a hope in your life. Now let's start with the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. The poem begins with the saying that we have to believe that each day, the new beginning means each morning, new morning. It's a new day with the new things, right? And you have to trust, you have to believe on yourself that miracles, magics can happen and our dreams will come true. That's what it is said in the first stanza. So you can see these pictures they have given, right, of the beautiful Disneyland type and the sea. And now this is the second stanza. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a starlit sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. See, when you see a cloud, you find that the imaginary, like cloud is taking the shape of fruits, vegetables, and sometimes we also feel that yes, someone is there on the cloud. So we have to believe. They think, do you believe? If you have a belief in your mind, you can make the imaginary things also believe it. That angels are dancing. They are dancing among the cloud, and there is a magical quality in the sky which is filled with stars. And then what? To know the wonder of the starless sky. Here we feel that the stars are filled in the sky. Stardust means a magical quality or a feeling type it is. And the wisdom of a man in the moon. Sometimes when we see the moon, we find that the moon, there is a shape of an old woman. It's a story which is being passed on. It's not reality type. And we accept that the wisdom of a man in the moon. Right? So this is the first two paragraph, and now you see they have given you the wonder of the sky. See the man who lands on the moon, right? And see, the glossary also given, the star having a magical quality. And now see this, the third line. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teaching we learn to love. This nurturing heart means what? It's a parent's heart. They nurture us, they look after us. To believe the value of someone who loves us, who looks after us, to recognize when we see the eye of a child which is having an innocent, right, and to acknowledge the beautiful hands of that. When a grandpa or a grandma in our house, you will find that their hands are how it is, right? They have a wrinkle in there. So in that also it is a beauty. Why? Because they teach us, they have taught us how to love, they guide us, right, to how to face this everyday's life by giving us ethics in our life, right? So nurturing, what is nurturing? Providing nourishment, care and protections. So just read these lines properly. But they're giving lot of examples to us. Aging, growing old, these are the things. Now say, what is the next paragraph? It says, you believe. To believe is to find the strength and the courage that lies within. It's not that you cannot say this person is weak, this person is strong. It doesn't go on a body strength, children. What is that? It's your heart, your mind, your belief. That is your real strength, that yes, I have a courage even when it is time to pick up the pieces and beginning. And maybe you must have, if I'll give you example according to your life, children, those who have scored less marks, you should have a belief in you and a courage that yes, this year I'm going to do properly, this year I'm going to do very good, I'm good. You will not fall into the pieces, you will not break up into the pieces, but you are going to pick up that pieces and begin again. Begin again means never giving up. That attitude will make you go through the life, right? See, now this climb, they have given this picture, the climb of a person. It's very, and still he's having a belief, I can do it, right? That's what it is given. To believe that you have a strength and courage with us. I have started. Now this businessman must have also started with a zero and then he has picked up to be a very good business, right? Now, so picking up the pieces means you to return to the normal after a shock. And then to believe is to know that we are never alone. Life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. So what this poet is saying, that you have to believe that you are not alone in this life. You have your parents to be with you. You have your parents and everyone to you. And now next we go that finally the poet is saying, to believe is to know that wonderful supplies are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So what is saying, that life is full of surprises. It's just we don't know tomorrow what the life brings, what the day brings. It comes with lot of surprises and we wait. What do we wait? That yes, tomorrow there will be some surprise and this surprise I am going to catch hold of it. And if you believe, then you will be overcoming all your fears. So this poem, A Time to Believe, is a positive note, an approach to the life, and to believe that. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within if only we reach. Right? So what does the poem says? The poem significance that you should have a belief and a hope, and these are the powerful things. There may be lot of chaos and turmoil in your life, but never give up. An absolute belief becomes knowledge. It becomes the foundation upon which we can build our future. So children, today only this much. In the next session, we'll start with the exercise. So just read, write down the meanings,